Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use Google Drawings in Google Docs. Friends, if you want to add Google Drawings in Google Docs, then you simply need to click on Insert. Now here you need to click on Drawing and click on From Drive. Now from here you can add Google Drawing and click on Insert. Now you can add it with link to source so that if you make any changes to the Google Drawing, then it will be automatically updated in your Google Docs. Now like this you can easily insert your Google Drawing in Google Docs. So friends, like this you can very easily use Google Drawings in Google Docs. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.